Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, gagawin po natin ang mag-register po ng SPASS. So, in your browser, type mo lang ang SPASS. Enter. Click here. Traveling within the Philippines. So, pwede nyo pong mag-check sa status ng inyong LGU destination kung ito ba ay restricted. So, like for example, Zamboanga del Norte. Then, check restrictions. So, sa Zamboanga del Norte, restricted siya. So, using SPASS, yes. So, sa restricted, needs travel coordination permit. So, kailangan po nating mag-apply dito sa SPASS and then pa-approve natin sa ating LGU. So, don't have an account yet. So, mag-register kayo dito. And then, enter mo lang yung mobile number mo and then confirm, then click next. So, login information. So, mag-create lang kayo ng password and then confirm password and then next nyo na. Traveler registration. So, required fields. So, input mo lang yung personal details mo dito. Like first name, middle name, last name, male, gender, and then region, province, municipality, address mo. And then your email address, age, client type, ano bang client type, mamili lang po kayo dyan. But ako nilalagay ko dito is individual. And then after that, click mo lang yung next. So after ninyong ma-input yung details, required details, so review. I-review mo na yung detalye ninyo kung tama ba. And then after that, I am not a robot. Click mo lang yan and then submit. So yun po kung paano mag-register. So since naka-register na ako, so ito yung contact number is already registered. So please log in. So mag-log in tayo. Login, traveler, login. So lagay mo lang yung mobile number mo, password. I am not a robot, then log in. So ito, like for example, kung may na-apply na kayo, kung approve, ito po yung lalabas. Ayan. And then, kung mag-apply kayo ng travel permit, since restricted ang Zamboanga del Norte, so click mo lang itong apply permit. And then, what is your current location? So, fill up mo lang dito yung current location mo. And then, where are you going? So, Zamboanga del Norte, Labason. So, you need to apply for a travel coordination permit. Yun po kasi restricted po ang Zamboanga del Norte. So, scroll down mo lang. Destination LG requirements, andito na. For individual vaccinated, so vaccination card and then identification card picture with picture. And then quarantine is wala na po. So may additional requirement siya for individual coming from alert level 4 and level 5. So kailangan mo ng negative antigen test result dated at most 3 days prior to travel. Please secure a photo scan copy of the requirements before applying kasi mag-a-upload po kayo ng vaccination card ninyo at saka yung valid ID. So, apply for travel coordination permit. So, click mo lang yan. Required field. Type of traveler. So, drop mo lang dyan. Filipino, local returning residents, and others. So, mamili kayo dyan kung alin po yung na aangkop po sa inyo. So, ito sa client ko, lalagay ko is returning residents na lang. And then, kung wala dito, so, pwede ninyo others, then please specify. Personal details, so, Input mo lang yung first name, middle name, and last name. Male, emergency contact. And then gender, emergency contact person and number. And then travel details, date of departure, date of arrival. Origin LGU, region, province, municipality, address. And then destination LGU, origin, province, municipality, and then address also. And then mode of transportation, like by air, by sea, or what. Then additional travel details, so flight number sa aeroplano or sa sasakyan, plate number. And then type is private ba? Yung pagbiyahe ninyo, private car ba, public, government ba? And then check mo lang yung I am not a robot, then proceed. So, once na na-submit mo na, so ito po yung lalabas. Your application will now be saved as a draft. Please upload your attachment on the next page. So, ito na po yung mag-upload tayo ng vaccine card and then yung ID. So, proceed. Ayan, ito. So, scroll down mo lang. Yan, makikita mo na dito kung saan po kayo pwedeng mag-upload ng inyong requirements. So, identification, so government-issued ID. So, choose file. And then, RT-PCR test result of equivalent. So, ito, like for example, sa LGU ninyo is hindi naman po sila nagre-record ng test. So, ang i-upload nyo dito is yung vaccine card. And then next, other documents requirements. So, mag-upload din kayo. So, pwede nyo pong ulitin yung vaccine card ulit. Kasi pag hindi kayo mag-upload dito, hindi siya mag-next eh. So, kailangan may ilagay kayo. So, vaccine card na lang ulit ang ilagay ninyo. And then, I am not a robot. And then, submit. So, yan. Upload, finish. Your attachments have been uploaded. So, view permit. So, yan. Yung status po is pending. Yan siya, pending. So, kailangan nating mag-antay or pwede nyo pong tawagan doon sa contact number. Pending siya. Yan, pending. So, tumawag kayo doon sa LGU na contact person na may sinubmit kayo na application para mag-approve po sila. So, madali lang naman yung sa amin. Mga wala lang 1 hour. Pag tingin ko ulit dito sa SPASS account ko is approved na siya. So, yan. Like for example, ito sa akin mga nabook ko. So, account ko, pero once na apply ka ng travel permit, so, pangalan na ng passenger ang ilagay mo. Pwede naman yun. So, log out muna tayo dahil wala pa eh. So, yan po ang process ng registration and application of SPASS. So, yung contact person ng LGU is makikita po sa homepage ng SPASS. May nakalagay po doon na LGU contact. So, doon po kayo magkuha ng kanilang contact at tawagan ninyo para ma-approve po yung application ninyo. And then, para malaman ninyo na approve kayo, so mag-login lang kayo ng inyong SPASS account. So, ayan po. I hope po na may natutunan po kayo sa video ito. And thank you very much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa aking bagong video na i-upload. Thank you and God bless and bye-bye!